Hello and welcome to the Money and Power Club 5K Weekend 2020, guys. We're getting ready to kick off our $5,000 weekends, and I'm inviting everybody to come over and join in this. It's super simple to do. It's nothing hard about it. I know when you talk about doing $5,000 per week in 3 days, that could, come off as being like impossible, but I'm going to show you right now, step by step, how you're going to be able to do this and pull this off. And it's important that you understand that the only thing you're doing is coming in with $110 and five other people that want to make $5,000. How hard is it to find five other people that would like to make $5,000 in 3 days? That is, that's a no-brainer. They're going to be running you down to get in. So I'm going to show you this, and I really want you to pay attention so that you understand this simple process, okay? So how we operate this is based upon Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, okay? As you see right here, Friday is sign up for the silver membership, okay? Our silver membership package is on Friday. Now, understand something. We're not selling anything. We're not buying anything. We're just getting a membership, and we're sharing our membership with new people that come in so they can get a membership and start making $5,000. That's it. We don't have any lotions, potions, or anything like that. But we do give you a lot of great gifts just for becoming a member of the club, and I'll touch down on those in a minute. So as you see right here, it says sign up for your silver membership package on Friday. Share this amazing opportunity with five others. Get paid Friday, which would be $500, and then upgrade into Saturday for $250. I'm going to show you all of the upgrades and how that works. This is super, super simple. Now, how do we do this over here at the Money Power Club? Well, members of the Money Power Club are strictly via new memberships that they bring into our community. We do not believe in buying and selling products, lotions, or potions to create wealth, but simply through the creation of relationships and simple old-fashioned networking. That is what we do. If you're somebody that don't want to work with people or don't want to talk to anybody or invite anybody over to make money, well, this isn't for you, and that's what network marketing is. We're network marketers, so we do not mind networking with other people, helping them to get involved. When someone say to you, well, I don't like talking to people and I don't like recruiting, well, first of all, you're not recruiting because you're not the police department, nor are you the military. You're sharing an opportunity with people, giving them a chance to make an executive decision on their own if they want to be involved with it or not. So you're not recruiting. You're just promoting something that you're involved in. Okay, let's take a look at our membership levels. The Money and Power Club memberships are where the true acquisition of wealth can be found. Each member simply invite others to join our club, and they're then rewarded with 100% of that member's registration fee. We do not take any of the registration fee. You get 100% of that, and we do that on Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Now let's take a look at our memberships. We have the silver, gold, and the platinum. Now the silver membership, right, is where everybody starts. Everybody starts with the silver membership on Friday. Then what happens, they go into the gold membership from profits that they've made from bringing in others into the club on Saturday at the 250. Then they go into the 1000 premium platinum on Sunday. When I break this down, it's going to be 100% clear to you. Now what we do is this. Remember I told you that we're going to give you gifts for coming in. We're going to give you something just for becoming a member of the club. So when you come in on the silver level, you're going to have 4 marketing training ebooks and downloads. They're PDF digital downloads, and they're yours to keep. You're going to have rebranding right as well as redistribution rights for these. So you can actually take that gift that we give you and turn it into money if you choose to do so. And if you don't, that's fine too. It's just yours, and you do with it what you will. Same with the gold. The gold package gives you 8 marketing training ebooks and downloads. All materials, again, are PDF downloads, and you have the right to, redistribute them and rebrand them. With our platinum, our big boy, this is the one that I like because you receive 42 marketing training ebooks and downloads. All materials are PDF once again with rebranding and redistribution rights. So you see, we're giving you great gifts for coming over here and becoming a member of the club. Also giving you an opportunity to make $5,000 per week. It's actually $5,500, but I always just keep it at 5K. Now we're going to go in here and we're going to make this thing happen. It's time to go for the 5K, as you see right there, in 3 days. The requirements: you need $110 in either Bitcoin or USD for registration for your silver membership. 3 to 5 members. We really want you to do 5 because if you got 5 people, that's going to clearly give you $500 to go forth with, right? So let's take a look at our kickoff Fridays. The kickoff Fridays is the 110, right? Our fast cash Saturdays, that's the 250, and of course our big boy, the cash out Sundays, that's that $5,000 one. So let's go down here and take a look at the chart so you can really get this into your head and see how simple it is to create $5,000 per week. When you do it one week, turn around, come and do it again. And plus, that second time you do it is going to be super simple because you're going to have payment proofs in your back office. That's right. You're going to receive your own digital website with membership tracking. You're going to have email notifications when somebody joins or when somebody sends you an email. You're going to have everything you need back there for you to go forth and create wealth. This is something that's super exciting, guys. 5K in 3 days. Just now watch this. I'm going to walk you through this and it's going to blow your mind. First thing that you're going to do on Friday, you're going to pay your $110. $100 is going to go to that great person that introduced you to us. And the $10 is going to pay for your lifetime membership over here at MPC. $10 for a lifetime membership to be able to make $5,000 per week. This is amazing. So after you pay your $100, you're going to have your 5 people ready to go. Now, how do you have them ready to go? Well, this is what happens. Because of the simple fact that we go live every Friday evening around 8 p.m. Central, 9 p.m. Eastern, that's when everybody started making their payments. We're about to switch that to 12 noon Central and 1 p.m. Eastern. That will be taking place in the upcoming week, okay? So, by you being able to work all week to get your 5 people ready, and they can actually be working to get their 5 people ready because you have all of the week. You don't have to do anything but concentrate on getting your people in place. Now, if you're serious about making $5,000 per week, that should be no problem for you to find 5 people that want to make $5,000. This doesn't take any fancy promotions or post on Facebook. This is something that I can call your phone, send you a text message about it, have you get in touch with me so I can ask you, hey, do you want to go for this $5,000 per week with me? We're starting this week coming up. Come on and get in. Hey, that's all it is, guys. It's not that you got to do any fancy promotions or make it up any nothing like that. This is super simple. Keep it simple, then others will keep it simple also. They'll duplicate your efforts. Now, you have all week to come up with your 5 people as well as your $110. So on Friday, there shouldn't be no reason you're not going forth getting ready to get this $5,500 by Sunday, right? Because you had all week to prepare, right? So here we go. So on Friday, you've paid your $110. Now you're going to bring in your 5 people. Those 5 people are going to pay you at $100 each. When they pay you at $100 each, time that 5, that's going to give you $500. Now, from that $500, you're going to take 250 of that on Saturday. When we go into our Saturdays, guys, you're going to take 250 of the 500 and go into Saturday. When you go into Saturday at that 250 bucks, your team members are going to follow you because everything is duplication. Now, if they have their members ready, they're going to come in with you. Now, understand, if they do not have their people ready, it's okay. Do not panic because guess what? You'll just be sitting there waiting on them the next week. So, okay, now whether you make 5,000 in that first week or 5,000 in that second, it's okay. Who's mad about making $5,000 in 2 weeks? Nobody. So, that is how that is going to work. So now if they have their people and they're ready too, they're going to pay you at $250 each. You notice it says the same 5 people because you're going to work with the same 5 people throughout that weekend. So when they pay you at 250 bucks, time the 5, that multiplication will give you $1,250. Now, from the 1,250, instead of running off spending it, you're going to upgrade into the platinum on Sunday for $1,000. Banking for yourself another $250. Wow. So you see you banked 250 on Friday, 250 on Saturday, and you only came in with 110. You are in profit mode already. So the next thing is going to happen, your team members are going to duplicate your efforts because duplication is the key to success with this particular program. They're going to come in at the $1,000 just like you did, paying it to you. That's going to give you a total of $5,000 when you multiply the 5 times that 1,000. But if you notice right here, it says 0 because you have no more package upgrades to take possession of. So that entire 5,000 stays in your pocket. That will move over to your positive side. And when you add that 5,000 with the previous 250 on Saturday and the 250 on Friday, that's going to give you a total of $5,500 in your account. See how easy that was? I'm going to do a quick recap just in case anybody missed anything. Come in for 110, 10 for your administrative fee to get your lifetime membership, 100 to your sponsor. Bring in 5 people. When those 5 people pay that $100 on Friday, have them ready to go on Friday, right? That's $500 in your pocket. What you're going to do on Saturday is upgrade to the 250. You see it's listed right here. It's all ready to go. And you're going to bank 250 on Friday. Then on Saturday, when you upgrade to the 250, your team members are going to duplicate your efforts because, once again, duplication is the key. Time those 5 people is going to give you 1,250. From the 1,250, you're going to go into your premium platinum on Sunday. Sunday morning, bright and early, go into that premium platinum for 1,000, leaving for yourself another 250 in positive. That's great, guys. Here come your team members duplicating that effort at 1,000. Time those same 5 great individuals. That's going to give you $5,000. From the $5,000, nothing comes out because you're in possession of the silver, gold, and the platinum already. So that's $5,000 going into your positive. You're going to add that $5,000 with the previous 250 on Saturday and 250 on Friday. That's going to give you $5,500. Do you see the simplicity in this? And all you're going to do is ask them a simple question. This is a tip that I put down here. Just let them know I'm a member of the Money and Power Club, which is a group of very successful entrepreneurs. We are currently seeking to build our membership up to 20,000 people in 2020. And we're doing that by doing these $5,000 per week weekends, guys. So this is something that anybody can do. All you need is $110 and 5 Facebook friends, 5 family members, 5, it doesn't matter, strangers, it doesn't matter because anybody want to go for $5,500. So you should not show up on Friday with any less than that. But you can most definitely show up with more. Bring as many people as you can because we want everybody during this crisis time in the USA and abroad to be able to create their own stimulus package. So that way you don't have to worry about it. The government says there's no more stimulus checks or there's no more unemployment or anything like that. We're creating our own paydays every Friday right here by sharing this opportunity with others. This is your man, Cashmere Rich. I am the president of the Money and Power Club, and I welcome you to come over here and take advantage of what we've created to change your life. I see you on the inside. Take care.